Bicol University is the premier state university in Bicol region, founded on June 21, 1969, promoting scholarship, leadership, character, and service. A world-class university that caters different programs in different colleges that give professional and technical training and provide advanced and specialized instruction in literature, philosophy, sciences, and technological researches. The Bicol University College of Business, Economics, and Management officially started as a college on September 10, 2004, through the leadership of the BU President Dr. Susana C. Cabrera. The college consisted of 4 programs: Bachelor of Arts in Economics, Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship, and Bachelor of Science in Administration, major in Management, officially modified to Bachelor of Science in Management. College of Business, Economics, and Management provides students interested in pursuing careers in business administration, accounting, economics, and entrepreneurship with a top-notch environment and a wholesome, enriching experience through its varied intracurricular and extracurricular activities. We are students of Bicol University College of Business, Economics, and Management under Entrepreneurship program, where many opportunities and gratitude arouses. We can start new ventures, innovating small enterprises, producing products and services that can help the society by giving them means of opportunity. Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship prepares us to begin and grow our businesses through the training and application of concepts like marketing, accounting, finance principle, etc. Choosing entrepreneurship is a practical choice of mine because I can open new business that create profit and employment to the people. As a student and future entrepreneur, I aim high to have a successful business.
As a student and future entrepreneur, I aim to become a millionaire and help others.
As a student and future entrepreneur, I aim high to have a successful business because of the benefits that might help not only myself but also my family.
As a student and future entrepreneur, I see myself ages from now as a business owner or living and working in another country.
Entrepreneurs open the gate of possibilities. Learning different techniques is a stepping stone in improving the business to an extent that will have an effect on the economy's trend and world later on. All you need to do is to take risks and believe in yourself no matter what. That's the goal of being an entrepreneur. You're not only creating profit, but you're also creating opportunities too. And that is the Entrepreneurship program. That's why I choose BSBM Entrepreneurship program.
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 That's why you choose Entrepreneurship program.